fluffy blanket. The big boy. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 12! So right now it's like 5 o'clock almost, and Jamie is over. There we go.
That's right.
Wow. I've mentioned this in all my like upcoming Vlogmases, but we are going to be doing a Christmas gift exchange with 6 of us and our like little friend group. So everyone is coming over right now, and we just like did some makeup. We have our makeup done.
I straightened Katie's hair.
She straightened my hair. I know, wow, look, Katie using heat on her hair, that's a first.
Katie made me pretty.
I put her makeup on, and we're matching shirts, but we also have both my Christmas pants on. Jamie's wearing my Olaf ones. Hopefully Cole doesn't get mad. We're going to have everybody come over. My dad brought like barbecue food for us, and we're gonna open our Secret Santa.
I'm like an e-girl!
Oh, that's in my nightmares. But everyone has their Secret Santa. I think some of the Secret Santas got spoiled because I can't keep my mouth shut. Hopefully it's good. This is gonna be super fun. I'm really excited about it. It's gonna be different than like a school vlog for every day. But let's wait for everyone to get here. Avery's on her way. Cole's on her way. And then we also have... Oh, Cole's not on her way.
That's the second time we've called him a girl.
Cole's on his way. And then we also have Jack and Janda coming. It's gonna be a big group of us, and we're going to be doing Secret Santa. Socks and Christmas pants.
Look at mine, they're hot tamales.
They're so good. Let's go see Cole. In the Santa suit. Oh, it has a little dangly ball.
I win best dressed.
You really do.
Maybe.
Our gifts are growing. We have this giant one, and then this tiny one.
I'm a gift from God.
Oh my gosh. Janda, show them your sweatpants. They look like leggings.
They're not.
They're leggings.
They are sweatpants.
Ping pong tournament as we wait for the rest of the people to get here. Jack hasn't even left his house yet. Said we have to make sure no one can see the wrapping when they walk in. Put it in your shirt and run. Cole, everyone's getting a booty shot right now. Ping pong.
Pong.
Let's go, let's go. Ellie, getting cheap, little. Oh, go. Did you Funyuns? Do you not like them? He hates Funyuns, and I don't know why. That hit me.
I'm ready for practice.
I dropped one. We have another one.
Bawled my eyes out during lunch today.
Why?
I have all A's right now, and I have a 4.17 GPA. And
Couldn't be me.
I'm not a dumb blonde Katie's fan. I'm not a dumb blonde. Katie is the dumb blonde. I forgot my homework classwork packet for Cam, and I was like, shoot, I kind of need that to keep my A in the class because I'm barely sitting on like a 91. And I forgot my packet at home, so my mom was like, well, I'm dropping your lunch off. I'll just grab it for you. And I was like, okay, great, swag. Get my lunch, and the packet is not there. So I'm freaking out all during lunch, texting her, and I'm like, dude, I got Chem next period. I called her like 15 times. She didn't answer until the bell rung.
Uh-oh, spaghetti-o.
And I was like, okay. And I told her, I was like, I'm skipping if you don't answer.
Did you?
I skipped the first part. And so we have a family, or not family friend, but like a friend of ours who works with like administration, and I went and sat in her office until my mom came and dropped off the thing. I'm up in the Nagaruni.
What?
Nagaruni. This story time has been 4 minutes long.
I didn't finish, and I go up to the teacher, and I was like, I was like, I forgot what like molecular formula and molecular mass. I forgot what those were.
I'm in physical science.
Mine was hard.
Yeah, we had a science test today.
Like, I was so, because my phone was blowing up in the bag and I didn't know what was happening, so I couldn't focus, so I just started bubbling and then answered, so I'd be reading plus.
That was me blowing up your phone. My mommy just texted me that she's on her way home.
I get my license in like 20 days.
I get mine in 3 months. We have the final. Who's gonna go first? Who should go first?
Janda.
Janda, you wanna go first?
Shortest. Wait, is Jamie shorter than tallest? You know how it be.
You have to choose which one you think you have.
Oh yeah.
Cole, sit down. Who do you think got you that?
Jamie.
Yeah!
I got it on sale.
Yeah! Do you have that?
My family does.
But you don't have one yourself, right?
No.
Okay, good. Yeah! I didn't know if he did or not. What?
That would have been so awkward.
You
Jamie's definitely shorter.
Okay, fine, Jamie, go.
Wait, I don't know. I actually don't know which one's mine.
Go look for your name. Go look for your name.
Is it that one?
Go look for your name.
that one?
Go look for your name.
I don't like this. This is social anxiety.
Go look for your
Who are you
name.
scared of?
Jack, question mark, question mark. This one's mine. Oh my god.
I know what it is.
Wait, why is you do too bad? Wait. Wait, what is this? I'm confused. Katie, what is it? I don't like this game. I'm scared. Why am I so scared? Katie's proposing to me.
It's be a ring.
I'm married!
Which one do I choose?
Hey, I got Cole's ring too.
Thank you, Katie.
How much money?
Katie.
Let's just say I went a little over budget.
How much money to get that permit?
Whoopsies, it's okay though.
Me and Katie are
Does
married
it fit?
now.
What was the budget again?
50?
Am I
Okay, I'm on par.
Okay.
Oh wait, Katie's shorter than me. Go.
No, it's your turn.
Stand up.
It's your turn.
Stand up.
It's your turn.
You are shorter than me. Stand up.
You're shorter than me.
No, I am not.
So much taller than you.
He's taller?
Yeah.
Wait, I've been telling you that for months.
Okay, my turn. I know who has me.
Did you have to tell Jack, you were like, Jack, your person is me?
Yes. That's what it's called. I have no idea what this is. Oh my gosh! It's a Frankie. It's so funny.
I thought it was a trash bag.
He's holding it as a trash. It's the Charlie Brown people.
It's Snoopy.
It's Charlie
Brown people.
I almost got one for myself.
We get a twin.
Wait, is it a blanket or a robe?
I think it's a blanket. Oh,
That's so cozy. Dude, that's how to make any girl happy. Get him a freaking blanket.
It matches your pants.
Does match your pants.
You look next to the part at the bottom.
Thank you, Jack.
Literally so much.
I'm trying not to hurt you. Jack got his appendix taken out yesterday. Who's taller?
Jack.
Which one could be mine? Alright, let me make sure it's me. Okay. We've got candy.
Yay!
And
an envelope! What is it?
it's a picture of the basketball jersey.
He ordered it off a China website and it won't come in for 2 months.
I did not know about this, guys. I promise.
You're such a liar.
I didn't know, but I'm shocked. Now I can cry and eat Jolly Ranchers at the same time.
I mean, I just have to wait for like a month.
Bernie's turn. I'm so excited.
Wait, who had me?
You don't know. Who do you think got you?
No.
Avery had me.
Says who?
Open it.
of elimination.
I'm so excited. I don't know what it is.
Nobody knows what it is. Jack, your mom might know.
Did you ask his mom?
I had asked his mom a question.
Wait, I'm so excited. What is it?
Suspense.
Oh my, the wrapping is so good.
I know, didn't I do a good job?
Oh.
That's so cute. You did so good. Aw.
Is it the right size? I texted your mom and I asked what size.
What size?
Large.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yay. Oh.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god, the biggest one for the biggest one.
The big boy for the big girl. Okay, don't break it, ma'am.
Oh my god, I know what it is! Wait,
Do you know?
did we talk about this?
I think.
Did we talk
I
about
don't
this?
remember.
Is it a light charred iron?
Do you know what it is? Do you know what it is?
It's a person.
Do you know what it is?
Oh my god, is it a boyfriend? That's so funny.
It's a boyfriend.
Take it out, take it out, take it out.
Try it on. I wanted to try it myself.
Oh my god!
Lay down.
How big is the head?
That's weird! I don't like it!
Wait, I want to try it.
Lay on it.
Oh my gosh! Put your head on my shoulder. Just me and my mans. This is so good. Does everybody like their presents?
I
do.
Yay! The aftermath. It's naked.
They both open their just the same.
I got Jamie a James Avery ring.
Katie are
Married.
now.
It says J. Do you have this one? Okay, I was afraid you might because you have like all of them. You like it? You like it? Everybody knew?
I thought Jamie had me. Cole told me that your dog had me.
I thought you were getting me a trash bag. So everyone left now. Now it's just Avery, Cole, and Janda and I. Jamie and Bernie left, and the rest of the people are gonna be leaving very soon. Well, I think it was a successful Secret Santa. I got a super cute fluffy blanket from Bernie, so thank you. Everyone is officially gone now, and it's 7:30. They left around like 7, so it's been a little while. Secret Santa was so much fun, and I'm so glad I got to do it with all my best friends. I just want to go over a rerun of everyone who had everyone and what they got. So we'll start with me. I had Jamie as my Secret Santa, and I got her a James Avery ring. And the reason that I got her like a really nice present is because it was her main birthday present and her Secret Santa gift. If you guys saw when I went grocery shopping by myself for Vlogmas one of the previous days, I got her a bunch of snacks for her birthday, but this was like her main proponent gift. Cole had Avery, and he got her a boyfriend pillow, and obviously you guys saw it, but it's just a pillow with one arm that wraps around you, which is so cute. Jamie had Janda and got him an Amazon Echo Dot, which was awesome because he didn't have one of those, and he just sent me a video of him setting it up, which was really fun. Bernstein had me, and you guys saw he got me this super really cute plaid Snoopy Charlie Brown fluffy blanket, and oh my goodness, it is so soft and Christmassy. Mackenzie, and it matches my pants perfectly, like my Christmas PJ pants. I love it. I couldn't have asked for a better gift. Again, thank you so much, Bernie. Avery got Jack and got him a blue champion sweatshirt, which is so cute. Janda got Cole and he got him I don't remember what kind of jersey it is, but he got him this jersey, but he ordered it online, so it's supposed to come in like a month. Sorry, Cole. But as you saw, he also got him 2 bags of candy, his favorite candy. So it was super successful. I had so much fun. After we opened all the gifts, we went upstairs and ate a ton of food. All the boys had barbecue and we had like this Oreo cookie pudding, which is amazing. Super fun night. I'm exhausted though. Day 12. Ooh, gummies. This is cute. It says Merry Christmas. So they're just little Haribo gummies. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed seeing all my friends and our little Secret Santa. Don't forget that I did do a giveaway on Vlogmas Day 10 and I'll be announcing the giveaway winner tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 13. So excited about that, and there's so many entries, so definitely go enter that if you want a chance to win. Of course, subscribe if you're new. Subscribe to my main channel, Caiti's Corner. Give it a thumbs up and follow my social media down below. All right, y'all. Love you. Peace in the Middle East.